Chip Chadley, here with the news that leaves a bruise. Tonight, we're going to be covering the revolutionary story of Billy from accounting, who recently switched to decaf. But first, Hurricane Watch. I'm Bert Bradley here with the weather. As you can see, Hurricane Bill has slammed into the coastline, causing widespread evacuations. Thousands of people displaced from their homes. Even Waffle House is closed. Emergency services have been working their best to keep up with the situation, but we're expecting heavy rainfall here, pretty much everywhere. Pretty much everywhere on here, okay? Beware of flooding and various other ecological disasters, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go to my main man, Stan Statley, in the field, live reporting on Hurricane Bill.
Thank you, Bert. It's me, Stan Chadley, here with the live hurricane report. As you can see, the rain has gotten a lot worse, and jetsam and flotsam are being thrown at terrifying speeds. Emergency services are having trouble keeping up with the demands of the city. And even the local Waffle House is closed, which has caused FEMA to order an evacuation of the surrounding area. It is recommended that people stay safe and take as little as they can with them. Shelters are open across the city as emergency services struggle to keep up with the growing demand of emergency services. Either way, thank you, Chip. Back to you.
Okay, thank you, Stan. What a brave reporter, putting your life on the line for the scoop. Either way, this has been Hurricane Watch with Chip Chadley. Up next, top 10 winter tricks to light your house on fire. This has been News with a Bruise with Chip Chadley.